What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So this is what I wanted to do on Halloween when you guys saw the Halloween special. I didn't actually end up getting to do it because I ran out of daylight, so I came out here at like 4 o'clock the next day. Today is actually Halloween. I wanted to make a little cinematic for you guys just because, you know, I put a lot of time into this and I felt yesterday's video just didn't do it justice on how awesome this was. So hopefully that little video helped a little bit. It wasn't much, but you know.